Tired of playing scheduling Tetris just to get some Wati support? Well, let's ditch the calendar chaos and learn how to snag a meeting time that actually works for you with the Wati Support Team in this quick tutorial. First, head over to the Wati website and look for the Help Center or Contact Us section. This is usually found in the footer of the page or within your account dashboard. Once you're in the Help Center, you'll need to find the option to schedule a meeting. Look for phrases like schedule a consultation, book a meeting, or even a calendar icon. Click on it. This will usually take you to a scheduling tool like Calendly. You'll see a calendar displaying the available dates and times that the Wati Support Team has set aside. Now, simply pick a date and time that suits your schedule by clicking on the available slot. After you've chosen your preferred time, you'll be prompted to fill out a form with your name, email address, and any specific details about the assistance you require. The more information you provide, the better prepared the support team will be. Double-check all the information you've entered and then hit the schedule button. You should receive a confirmation email with all the meeting details, including a link to join the meeting. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a meeting with the Wati Support Team. Now you can confidently tap into their expertise and unlock the full potential of the Wati platform. Happy scheduling.